Sorry.
I'm back. I'm back. What? He's crawling just to piss me off.
Threw my grenade in, mate.
I'm in. I'm in.
Man.
Shut the door.
Oh, shh.
What are you doing?
There was C4 in there.
No, there wasn't.
I blew the C4 up and that's what killed me. How did he get me? He's shooting at you. Stay alive, mate.
Like, get to that door, Azzy. No, that one.
Mate, I'm shy. Stay alive.
I'm trying.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Azzy. I'm coming.
I'm just staying here, mate. Oh, he's throwing a grenade in.
Fuck. He got a grenade in. Shit. You were pretty bad though, mate. And I was doing amazing. I'm coming in for landing, Azzy. I'm gonna land on somebody's head. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he killed you! Get wrecked!
Mate, take it before that car gets it.
I'm gonna get...
What? What?
See you later, mate.
What happened to that guy? Oh shit.
Heli coming, mate. Oh no, he's shooting at us. Yes, and he squashed me.
Oh!
And he fucking squashed me! I'm chuck, you're shite!
I'm trying. Mate, oh shit, I've jumped out.
Hey,
What?
I didn't care who I'm spotted on here! What the fuck?
I got wrecked by a stubby mustard looking type of gun. Come at me, bro. Come at me, Jet. Oh! Killed in action? What? Oh, that guy died. Oh, look who's back, has it? Look who it is. Spawn.
Who is it? Oh my god, they're back!
What?
What?
How did you die?
A mine!
Really?
I got mined!
How did you get mined?
I have no idea.
Oh shit! There's an enemy there!
Yeah!
Oh!
I got mined again! How?
That guy that mined you, mate, got absolutely roasted. Tank, has he? Tank! Lie down, lie down, lie down!
Oh.
Tank thinks he's a train. He sees you though.
Killing me! How did he not see you?
I died.
That's ridiculous, man. Oh, it doesn't see me, mate. Yes. Yeah. You just killed me with your car! Why? Why you do such a thing?
Has he?
This is a joke! He just hit me with the car, which then pushed it into me again. Nah, I'm done. Whoa. What the fuck? Did they explode it? Oh. Fireworks. Whoa! Oh!
It rolled.
I didn't care it rolled, mate.
It rolls. I'm gonna.
It's like a big roll pin.
Ah shit! I'm getting shot. Nah.
No. He's just been repair tooled.
So what's up guys, I'm Chia Boy and thank you very much for stopping by and watching the video, and if you can, please do leave a like on the video and share with your buddies if you thought it was good enough. And don't forget to leave a comment about your favourite part, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you, and goodbye.